Our tiny chefs took part in an exciting sandwich making activity. Children joyfully arranged slices of bread, butter, cheese, and colorful veggies to make their own yummy sandwiches. ONL while enjoying every bite of their delicious creations. Our little chefs had a fun and healthy time during the sprout making activity. With bowls full of colorful sprouts, tomatoes, onions, and cucumbers, the children eagerly mixed everything together with their tiny hands. Teachers guided them lovingly, explaining how sprouts makes us strong and healthy. The kids enjoyed learning about healthy eating while creating their own tasty nutritional salad. It was a joyful, hands-on experience filled with smiles, teamwork, and yummy bites. Our little ones had a fun and exciting day during the bhel making activity at our center. The main aim was to help children learn about healthy and tasty Indian snacks in a playful way. Teachers and parents guided the kids to mix puffed rice, sprouts, onions, tomatoes with lemon and spices to make a delicious bhel. The classroom was full of energy as children nicely helped in mixing the ingredients and shared their bhel with friends. Parents happily supported by sending the ingredients and loved watching their kids participate with so much joy. Children enjoyed every moment from seeing colorful ingredients to testing their own creations. This simple activity helped them learn about food, teamwork, and healthy eating while having lots of fun together.